S'appeler. Conjugaison du verbe s'appeler. Today, we're gonna learn how to conjugate this very common verb. Alors, in French, to say my name is, we say I call myself. So, literally, s'appeler is to call oneself. Par exemple, salut, je m'appelle Steph. Et toi, comment tu t'appelles? Hi, I call myself Steph. And you? How do you call yourself? Ok? Donc, salut, je m'appelle Steph. Et toi, comment tu t'appelles? Alors, let's see the pronunciation and you're gonna repeat all the form. First, we have je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. Tu t'appelles. Tu t'appelles. Il s'appelle. Okay, so in French, il is the equivalent of he. And elle is the feminine form, she. Okay. Alors, important thing, in French also. We have two different ways to say you. We have the tu that we use for the friends, and we have the vous that we use for the formal form, or also if it is a group of person, if we speak to several person. Alors, the nous is a we. Okay. So, what do we have? We have je m'appelle. Tu t'appelles. Il s'appelle. Elle s'appelle. Nous nous appelons. Vous vous appelez. Il s'appelle. Elle s'appelle. So, il and elle, it's like the equivalent of they. Il if it's a group of men, of people, men or women, and elle if it's exclusively a group of women. Okay? Yeah, so the important thing is also to notice that we have the same pronunciation for the verb here. Appel, 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 appel is the same pronunciation. It's just the myself, yourself, himself, how do you call him? Okay, so it's the difficult part of this verb. It's kind of irregular just because we have this thing here, s'appeler, which is call oneself. Ok, c'est fini pour aujourd'hui. La prochaine classe, c'est la leçon de phonétique. I'm gonna give you a list of many verbs, the most common verb, and we're gonna see the pronunciation. Allez, à très bientôt. Au revoir.